right, so now we are at the bus station, and I'm going to give you a quick little look around the bus station so that you can see just what it's like in another country, third world country that is, and their bus station. So here we go. All right, so it has kind of like a little food court, and what we do is we are going to just walk on the bus, and for this particular bus, we're just going to pay online. We won't pay online. We will be paying on the bus, and I think it's going to be about $1.50. So
digna de que de un trabajo honrado como usted la lleva, casposa y asperosa, ¿verdad? Nota la gran diferencia cómo le van quedando, suave, hidratada, humectada y con una elegante fragancia. Pero la pregunta que nos hacemos acá, vean, ¿cómo debemos utilizar la cremita en el día o en la noche?
So we've arrived in Girón, and we are going to flag down a truck taxi, and then we will take a ride up the hill. It's probably about, I don't know, maybe 5 miles up, and then he will let us off at the base of the trail, and we will resume there. But I'm going to give you a little view of the town just really quickly. So this is Giron. This here, he's going to be our taxi man. Just a lot of just a cute little town. Nothing special. And we're gonna catch that taxi right now. Okay, so we are in the truck. Okay, so we're at the base of El Chorro. These are my buddies. We are all hiking together. This is Ken, this is Kelly, this is Tammy, this is Darlene, and this is Vicky. All right, and we're going to start the hike. I'm going to give you a little view of the base of the hike, and then we'll take some pictures along the way. It is going to be a really beautiful hike. It's so pretty. It's not very long, but it's a bit of a challenge. So anyway, you'll enjoy it. Okay? Vamos. The moss on the trees, it's real dense here. It's just beautiful. So now we're beginning to see the waterfall. As you can see, it is so beautiful. It originates from up there. So we'll get closer, but it's just lush and green everywhere. One of the vantage points that you will be able to just step off and get a nice view of this beautiful, you can't even see the top of it, it's just so tall. Right? And I believe my friends Tammy and Kelly are up there crossing that bridge right now. So we'll see if we can catch them. There we go, a little zoom in. But the river keeps going down. It's so beautiful. Goodness. Right? There's Tammy up there taking a few pictures. And let's just take a hike and get closer. Alright, we're coming up on the second bridge now. And where we can get a good view. I know it's going to be really wet. So we'll see what it does to the lens. But you can hear it, it's just roaring. Look at that. it into the Okay, so let's take a walk across this bridge. Oh, it's so cold. And windy. But wow. So there's these kind of treacherous steps that are totally wet, but when we get to this point and then go to the other side, so there's a little pool. I've seen people come up here and bring their baby suits and swim in that pool. Too bad one of my guests couldn't do that, but look at this view from the other side. Oh, so beautiful. Look at that. Okay, so now we're going to go back. Treacherous stairs. Bypass him. And then we're going to top. So around to the right of the waterfall, you can get another view. It's kind of nice. So we'll go up there and meet you up there. So now we've come up to this is the top part of the trail, and it just gives you a different vantage point of the waterfall. And it's like it's raining because the force of the waterfall is just so hard. You know, it's kind of rainy season here right now, so that's why it's really rushing. There we go. That is amazing. There's that water pool. Alright. So there we go. This is Girón, El Chorro. El Chorro. Walking up, you'll notice that there's this sign, Colupio. And I've never gone this way. So we've decided that we are adventurous enough to take this trail and to see where we are to go. I'm thinking maybe it's just another waterfall, maybe a smaller one. But this is an adventure. So we will take it and see what happens. Let's see. Oh, okay, so it goes up this way. Oh! You know what? I think this is the zip line. I think. We'll see. Because there's this. Yeah. Okay. Oh, no, it is a swing. Haha. Oh my. Yeah, I don't think I'll be doing that. Oh my goodness, imagine that over here, down over that. Yeah. This is the zip line station, if you can see it right there. You decide to come here, you will be coming here to do the zip line. Start off and see what my buddies thought of the whole thing. Ken, what did you think?
Awesome.
Awesome?
Awesome.
What did you like?
I was a lot wetter up there than I am right now, but what a beautiful view.
Awesome. Kelly? Or Tammy, excuse me.
We feel like drowned rats. As you can see, we're wet, we're cold, but it is so worth it. It is absolutely fabulous. It's a site that not very many people get to enjoy, and we're very, very pleased that we are one of the few.
And how would you describe like the difficulty of the hike? I mean, if you're not a mountaineer, if you're just a regular person that's, you know, in moderately good shape?
Yeah, I think it's
Say
moderate.
it's moderate.
If you have knee troubles, or maybe not a good idea to do, but a lot. It's good, and you have a side rail that you can hold on to as well for protection. Okay. So I think it's good.
Yeah.
And a little muddy.
Little muddy.
It could be a little bit muddy. But yeah, it is a fantastic hike. Takes you up. You're able to see the falls all the way from the top to the bottom. and just a magnificent view.
Come prepared for cold and wet.
Yeah,
It's true. And for a 63-year-old person, you can do it. Not always is there the side rails. I found there were places that didn't have it, but
trees.
but there's things to hang on to.
Good.
And so it's worth it. It's breathtaking. Again, I've never seen anything like it either.
Check out the shoes.
Yep.
Not too muddy. But I have been up here when it's after it's rained and it's pretty muddy. So anyway, so that's it. We may we're gonna go eat some trout and we may take a few pictures of that, and then that will be the end of this episode. Thank you. ¿Quieres comer? So this looks like what we're gonna have choice of. I think maybe I'm gonna do the trucha, which is a trout, and we will just go on inside and we'll give you our either thumbs up or thumbs down on that, okay? And we'll get a picture.
Here we go.
I'm kind of concerned because the trout has its head on it still. And I'm not used to seeing that, and it still has a tail.
But it's not moving, Tammy.
And it's not moving, and I didn't have to cook it, kill it, and clean it. But it does look delicious, and I am in Ecuador, and I am going to try this because this is what I want. I want the local food, and I'm very excited about doing
Great.
it.
Oh, look it. Look it. Okay.
Oh, Darlene, you're so
Darlene's is
so
beautiful.
pretty.
It is beautiful.
But it does have a head, but you
But I don't see it real well, except it is looking at me.
But that's okay. I'm in Ecuador. Okay. So I do have to say that trout was fantastic. It was pink on the inside, super fresh. I would totally recommend coming here after you do your little hike and go up to the beautiful waterfall. We had trout. We each had a nice beer, and we had some chips at the beginning, and the total was $8.40 a piece. So we'd highly recommend it. And that is the end of this video. So please subscribe and hit that bell button so that you can get notifications of the next trip that we do, which I'm not sure what we're going to do next, but there's plenty to do here in Ecuador, and you're going to hear all about it from us. Okay? So we'll see you next time.